Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start the online course for intermediate math class. So it's intermediate math class. Very first chapter, that is functions. Chapter number first, functions. Before going to functions, there are few basic topics that are given in your text. The first topic is binary relation. Binary relation. So, what is the binary relation? The binary indicates for two. So, it's something between two. Relation means between. So, binary relation means the relationship between two variables. Two things are there that are going to vary, and the relation between them is called as binary relation. So, first of all, we will define it. The relationship. The relationship between two variables. Is called as binary relation. Binary relation. Now it's about two variables. Relationship between two variables. Now in these two variables, one variable is independent and other is dependent. There are many examples. For example, we have a fan and we have to set the speed of the fan by meter that is settled on the board of the electricity. So जेकॾहिं असां उन बोर्ड जेको ते असां जेको स्पीडोमीटर जेको सेट थियल आहे फैन जी स्पीड सेट करण जे लाइ, जेकॾहिं असां उनखे 1 ते रखूं था, फॉर एग्जांपल जेकॾहिं असां उनखे 1 ते रखूं था त फैन जेको आहे उहो 100 साइकिल्स करे थो हिकिड़े मिंट में। फॉर एग्जांपल उनजी स्पीड इहा आहे त 1 ते रखण सां 100 साइकिल्स करे थो हिकिड़े मिंट में, ऐं जॾहिं असां उनखे 2 ते रखूं था त उहो 80 साइकिल्स करे थो हिकिड़े मिंट में, ऐं जॾहिं असां उनखे 3 ते रखूं था त 60 साइकिल्स करे थो हिकिड़े मिंट में। जेका डेटा आहे छा थी ॿुधाए, रिलेशनशिप ॿुधाए थी बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल्स। जेको ही स्पीड असां सेट था कयूं इहो हिकिड़ो वेरिएबल आहे, ऐं सर्कुलेशन ऑफ द फैन जेको आहे इहो बि हिकिड़ो वेरिएबल आहे। ॿई वेरिएबल आहिनि ऐं इहे ॿिनि हिक ॿिए सां रिलेशन आहे। देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देम। At the point 1, different circles, different number of circles perform in a minute. At the point 2, there are the different circles perform in the different number of circles perform in a minute. And at the point 3, there are the different. So this is the relationship. And in this relation, there are two variables. One is the points of the meter, and other number of circulations. Two variables. Now, which one is independent and which one is dependent? The independent variable is the points on the speedometer, points on the meter. We can set at any point. We can take it 1 point, at 1 point. We can take it at 2 point. We can take it 3. Hence it is independent. Means we can set on our own wish. असां पंहिंजे मर्ज़ी सां जाते वणे उनखे सेट करे सघूं था, independent. Number of circulations done by a fan, the number of circulations by fan in a minute, they are depending at what point we have placed that point, that speedometer. वो डिपेंड करे थो त असां स्पीडोमीटर खे कहिड़ी पॉइंट ते रखियो आहे। माना नंबर ऑफ सर्कुलेशन ऑफ फैन डिपेंडेंट एंड setting of the speedometer is independent. So two variables. As another example is this. For example, I am going on the bike to a petrol pump and asking for the petrol pump, to the shopkeeper of the petrol pump seller. जॾहिं मां उन्हनि पहिरियों मां खे चयो त 3 लीटर पेट्रोल खपे, 4 लीटर पेट्रोल खपे, 2 लीटर पेट्रोल खपे, इहो मां इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल थी वियो। calling for whatever the amount, whatever the result. वो जेको मूंखे पैसा ॿुधाईंदो, जेको मूंखे अमाउंट ॿुधाईंदो, उहो डिपेंडेंट आहे। वो मूंखे ॿुधाईंदो जेकॾहिं मां 1 लीटर वठंदुमि 1 लीटर जा पैसा ॿुधाईंदो। ॿ लीटर वठंदुमि 2 लीटर जा पैसा ॿुधाईंदो, 3 जेको आहे 100 लीटर वठंदुमि 3 लीटर जा पैसा ॿुधाईंदो। माना जेके मां लीटर्स चया इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल ऐं हू जेको वेरिएबल रक़म सभिनी खां 100 रुपया न वठंदो। 1 लीटर वारे खां फॉर एग्जांपल जेकॾहिं 100 रुपया रक़म आहे त 1 लीटर वारे खां 100 रुपया वठंदो, 2 लीटर वारे खां 200 वठंदो। हू बि वेरिएबल, उनजो जेको अमाउंट आहे उहो वेरिएबल अमाउंट, ऐं सभई 1 लीटर बि न विझाईंदा, यानी कि पेट्रोल जेके वठणु अचनि था उहे बि वेरिएबल, ॿई वेरिएबल। ऐं हिन में इंडिपेंडेंट कहिड़ो आहे ऐं डिपेंडेंट कहिड़ो आहे। इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल इहो आहे जेको असां बाय कस्टमर्स आहियूं, जेके असां ख़रीद कयूं था, असां इंडिपेंडेंट आहियूं, ऐं जेको शॉपकीपर आहे उहो डिपेंडेंट आहे। अहिड़ो त उहो ओतिरा लीटर्स ॾींदो जेतिरा असां हुनखे कार कंदासीं, उन खां पोइ रुपीज़ बि ओतिरा ई डिमांड कंदो, पैसा ओतिरा ई डिमांड कंदो जेतिरा असां उन खां लीटर्स वठूं था। सो इहे जेके असांजा so there are many more examples as well. First of all, I will write these two examples. Example number 1. So let's say R1. So relationship number 1, R1. When I have set the point of the meter at 1, then it is 100 cycles, let's say, per minute. And when I have set it at 2, then it is 80 cycles per minute. When I have set it at 3, then it's 60 cycles per minute. And when I have set it at 4, then 40 cycles, for example, per minute. So this is a relationship formed in form of ordered pairs. These are two ordered pairs. First number of this ordered pair always indicates independent variable. This always indicates independent variable. Independent variable. That can be any independent variable. In my example, it's points of the meter, and another example is, let's say, it's liters, and it may be any example. The second digit always indicates dependent variable. It depends on another variable, that is called an independent variable. Now mostly in mathematics, independent variable is denoted by x. Independent variable is denoted by y. Mostly these are two taken as independent variable x and dependent variable y. And the relationship between these two variables, independent and dependent, is called actually the binary relation. After that, the second R2, that can be any example. For example, I have taken the example of the petrol in liters. For example, I am calling for 1 liter, and the price is, let's say, 100. Example, let's say 100 rupees, and the 2 liters, then 200 rupees, 3 liters, then 300 rupees, and so on. So this R2 can easily be converted into the form of an equational relation. In an equation, that is, y is equal to 100x. X is independent variable. Let's say, see here, if the value of the x is 1, then the value of y is 100. If I will put 1 here, we will get 100. If I will put 2 here, we will get 200. I will put 3 here, I will get 300 here. So it's a equational form of this relation. So this R2 and this is the same relation. This is given in x and y terms, equational form, and this is in ordered pair form. So ordered pair means x comma y. That is x comma y. That is called as ordered pair. We have discussed in first year and metric class in detail about ordered pairs. So this is an equational form. So an ordered pair, binary relation can be given in the form of ordered pairs, and it also can be given in an equational form. In both the forms, this can be given. So this was all about the binary relation. After that, we have a topic domain and range. We will discuss it later on. It will be continued. So this is all about the binary relations. And if you have any question, any query, you are encouraged to ask. Please ask us. Ask in inbox. You are provided inbox. You will ask the question in inbox. We will answer you within 24 hours, not more than that. And for your better future, this is very important for you online classes in this situation, extraordinary situation. So असां तव्हांखे बार बार इहो ई चऊं था त तव्हां हिनखे सीरियस वठो ऐं हिनखे पंहिंजो फोकस ॾियो। जेके बि तव्हांखे सुवाल आहिनि उहे जेको आहे तव्हां पंहिंजे इनबॉक्स में कयो ऐं असां तव्हांखे 24 आवर्स में आंसर ॾींदासीं। ऐं उन्हनि में बिल्कुलु तव्हां जेको आहे फील फ्री टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन्स। उनमें कोई बि तव्हांखे हिचक महसूस न थिए। जेका बि तव्हांखे शइ सम्झ में न आई आहे, दिस इज़ वेरी फर्स्ट लेक्चर, रिव्यू लेक्चर। आफ्टर ऑनवर्ड असां हमेशह जा तव्हांखे चऊं था त जेके बि तव्हांखे क्वेश्चन्स हुजनि उहे तव्हां पुछो ऐं हिनखे पंहिंजो सीरियस वठो। ऐं थैंक यू वेरी मच।